Hey there, science fans. Today we're going on an adventure to see how computers are made. Computers are everywhere. They're in our homes, schools, and even our pockets. They help us learn, play games, and connect with friends and family. But have you ever wondered how these amazing machines are made? Let's find out. We're going to take a trip to a computer factory and see the whole process from start to finish. It's a fascinating journey that involves raw materials, incredible engineering, and a lot of teamwork. Get ready to be amazed by the science and technology behind computers. Our journey begins with a humble ingredient: sand. Silicon, the heart of computer chips, comes from ordinary sand. Sand is mostly made of silica, a compound of silicon, and oxygen. To get pure silicon, the silica is heated to extremely high temperatures. This process removes the oxygen, leaving behind pure silicon. The purified silicon is then processed into a single crystal structure, which forms the base for microchips. It's amazing how we turn something as simple as sand into the building blocks of our digital world. The silicon wafers are now ready to become brains of the computer, the central processing unit, or CPU, and memory chips. These chips are incredibly complex, containing billions of tiny transistors. Think of transistors as tiny switches that turn on and off, processing information in the form of zeros and ones. Using a process called photolithography, intricate circuits are etched onto the silicon wafer, creating the complex pathways for electrical signals. It's like creating a miniature city on a chip. Now that we have our CPU and memory, we need a place to put them. That's where the motherboard comes in. The motherboard is like the nervous system of a computer. It's a large circuit board that connects all the different components of the computer together. The CPU, memory, and other components are carefully placed on the motherboard and soldered into place to create a working system. Section 5, putting it all together, assembly lines. With the motherboard ready, it's time to put everything together. This happens on an assembly line where skilled technicians add different components to the computer. They install the hard drive, which stores all our data, the power supply, which provides electricity, and the cooling system, which keeps everything from overheating. It's like a well-choreographed dance, with each component finding its place in the computer. Section 6. Quality control, making sure it works. Once the computer is assembled, it goes through rigorous testing to ensure it works perfectly. Technicians run various tests to check the functionality of every component, from the keyboard and mouse to the display and speakers. They also run software to make sure the operating system and other programs are installed correctly. Only computers that pass all the tests get to move on to the next stage. Section 7 software, the spark of life. A computer isn't much use without software. Software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. This includes the operating system, which controls the basic functions of the computer, as well as all the applications we use, like web browsers, games, and word processors. The software is installed on the hard drive, ready to bring the computer to life. Section 8, from factory to you, packaging and distribution. The finished computers are carefully packaged to protect them during shipping. They're placed in boxes with protective foam and other materials to prevent damage. The boxes are then loaded onto trucks or airplanes and shipped to stores and homes around the world. Soon, they'll be in the hands of eager users. Section 9. The global impact of computers. From the sand to the silicon, and from the factory floor to your fingertips, we've seen the amazing journey of how computers are made. Computers have revolutionized our world, connecting people across continents, advancing scientific research and entertaining us in countless ways. And as technology continues to evolve, who knows what incredible new possibilities computers will unlock in the future. Keep asking questions and stay curious, because the world of science and technology is always full of surprises.